What kind of food is halal? Halal food refers to any food that is permissible for Muslims to consume according to Islamic law, Sharia. The criteria for determining whether food is halal are based on the Quran, Hadith, sayings and actions of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Islamic scholars' interpretations. Here's an overview of the kinds of food that are considered halal. 1. Meat and poultry. Permissible animals. Halal meat comes from animals that are permitted in Islam, such as cows, chickens, sheep, goats, and camels. Proper slaughtering. The animals must be slaughtered in accordance with Islamic law, zabiha, which involves invoking the name of Allah before slaughtering. The blood must be drained from the carcass, and the process must be hygienic and humane. No pork. Pork and its byproducts, such as bacon or ham, are strictly prohibited, haram, in Islam, and are never considered halal. No carnivorous animals. Animals that eat other animals, such as lions, tigers, or bears, are not halal, even if slaughtered properly. 2. Seafood. Fish and seafood. In general, fish and most forms of seafood are considered halal. This includes fish like salmon, tuna, and cod, as well as shellfish such as shrimp, crab, and lobster. However, certain interpretations may vary depending on the school of thought. Avoidance of harmful creatures. Marine animals that are harmful or poisonous, such as eels or certain shellfish, depending on interpretation, may not be considered halal by some. 3. Dairy products. Halal dairy. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are halal, as long as they do not contain any non-halal ingredients, such as rennet, a substance derived from the stomachs of animals. Halal certification. Some cheeses, especially processed ones, may require halal certification to ensure that no animal-derived enzymes, which may be from non-halal animals, were used. 4. Vegetarian and plant-based foods, fruits and vegetables. All fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes are halal as long as they are free from contamination by non-halal substances such as alcohol or animal byproducts. Processed plant-based foods. Many processed foods such as snacks, canned goods, and frozen items are halal, provided that no haram, forbidden ingredients are added, such as gelatin, often made from pork or non-halal animals. 5. Beverages, halal beverages. Water, fruit juices, milk, and most non-alcoholic drinks are halal. Alcohol-free. Any drink containing alcohol or intoxicants, like wine, beer, or spirits, is strictly haram, forbidden, and not halal. Non-alcoholic substitutes. Some beverages, like alcohol-free wine or non-alcoholic beer, may still be considered haram due to their association with intoxicants in some interpretations. 6. Processed foods, halal certification. Many processed and packaged foods can be halal if they carry a halal certification. This ensures that no haram ingredients, like pork, alcohol, or non-halal animal byproducts, are included in the production. Gelatin. Gelatin made from pig or non-halal animal sources is haram. However, halal gelatin is made from halal-certified sources like beef or fish. 7. Sweets and snacks. Halal sweets. Many traditional sweets, chocolates, and desserts are halal, provided they do not contain alcohol, non-halal gelatin, or other forbidden ingredients. Halal certification for confectionaries. Look for halal certification to ensure that sweets and snacks meet Islamic dietary guidelines. 8. Halal versus haram, forbidden. Food. Haram, forbidden. Foods. Foods that are strictly prohibited in Islam include pork and its byproducts, alcohol, carnivorous animals, and improperly slaughtered animals. Mushbu, doubtful. Foods. Some foods may be considered doubtful, mushbu, because they contain ingredients or are processed in ways that could be non-halal, such as foods with unclear sources of additives or enzymes. 9. Halal certification, ensuring halal compliance. Halal certification is issued by trusted authorities that ensure the food meets the criteria for halal consumption. This certification is particularly important for packaged foods, restaurants, and food outlets. Conclusion. In summary, halal food includes meat and poultry from permissible animals that are slaughtered according to Islamic law, fish and most seafood, fruits and vegetables, dairy products, and beverages that do not contain alcohol or intoxicants. Processed foods, sweets, and snacks can also be halal if they meet the required criteria and are certified by recognized halal authorities. So what kind of food is halal? Halal food is any food that is permissible in Islam, which includes meat from halal animals, seafood,